AIS is vibrant,
unique,
reliable,
ingenuity,
committed,
excellence,
innovative,
caring, creative,
passionate.
AIS is our people.
Cameras, sounds rolling, quiet on set.
Bruce Platzman, I'm the CEO and president of AIS and one of the founders. In 1989, really out of necessity, I started this company with my business partner, Arthur Maxwell. We had an opportunity to bring in some used furniture for one of our existing customers. We brought it in, we installed it, the customers seemed to be extremely happy. We were paid the next day and we actually made some money doing it. So we put a business plan together over the next couple of weeks that really revolved around selling used and remanufactured furniture. By the end of 1992, we had about 25 employees and we decided to take it really to the next level. We landed at Bonazzoli Ave, which is the building that we're in today, and is still our corporate headquarters. So as we rolled into 2001, I can say by far the two most important events in this company's history happened in that year. We had an opportunity with J.D. Powers to facilitate and provide the furniture for their corporate headquarters. The other one was, unfortunately, 9/11, and helping replace all of the office furniture, which was 2,500 workstations within the Pentagon. At that time, our reputation was really building across the country as well as our credibility. We developed a product called Matrix, which was a frame and tile system. It's our second biggest product today from the standpoint of sales, and it is one of the leading frame and tile systems sold in the States today. In 2006, we actually developed our next branded product, which was called Divi. It's our #1 selling product today. We introduced a desking line. As we moved into 2012 and into the early 2013, we'll be introducing new products in our desking and calibrate line. We have introduced more laminate case goods, and we'll continue to improve our seating line. We talk about quality of products being at least as good as the big manufacturers, and in many cases, the testing labs will tell us our products are better quality. We talk about prices that are more than competitive, day in and day out, and in most cases, less than our competition. Speed to market, easy to do business with, and one of the biggest ones, and you've heard it before, delivering what you promise.
Bill Stavich, Vice President of Product Development and Engineering. At AIS, yes, we want to be the low-cost provider, and we've built the business around that, but it's more than that. It's about having just the right features in just the right market at just the right time. We like to focus on common sense solutions. Our products are solid, they are simple, they are dependable, and they look good. Over the years, systems requirements have changed and the products evolve as those changes come about. Today, the market is really focused on two platforms. With our Matrix product, which is our 3-inch platform, which is very full-featured, and all the way to our Divi platform, which is our 2-inch platform, we really have a really great products in those two core markets, and that's really what's driving the growth of AIS. I think one of the most important things we do at AIS is we try and find common sense reasons to develop products. At Neocon, we're launching a product, Oxygen. Desking, it's a term essentially that refers to products that are freestanding or non-panel based products. Architects and interior designers working with our dealers are really starting to request that kind of environment for customers today. So the product is a full-featured benching system, freestanding, very flexible, value-based product, so it's going to be very competitively priced, and it's going to be feature-rich. As a business plan, we look at markets and we wait for markets to develop fully before AIS launches a product into a market. And the only reason we can really do that is because of our speed to market. Other manufacturers may take 4 or 5 years to develop and bring these products to market. AIS, our average time is 12 to 18 months to market.
Steve Savage, COO.
AIS has a very robust manufacturing system.
We have been able to master a 7-day lead time without sacrificing quality and high standards. We have a very supportive quality control department who helps us through the process. We also have training, we have standards, and we also take steps to make sure that things such as thickness, color, texture, they either meet or exceed the requirements of our customers. So we do take a lot of pride in our quality, and we take a lot of steps to make sure that whatever our customers are getting is number one.
Our system's very vertically integrated from shipping all the way up to quotations, and the entire system is set up to exceed our customers' expectations.
And I don't think there is many people who can do what we do out there, and that's why I think it makes us unique.
Very passionate about lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a concept of removing waste from all facets of manufacturing. This allows us to run with shorter lead times, higher quality, and lower costs, and that translates into better value for our customers.
The way we strive to eliminate waste is by walking around on the floor, asking our employees. A lot of times they come up to you and they give you good ideas about the processes.
One of the ways we've been able to do that is through our before and after process. We get all of the employees involved in the idea generation process to make a simple $1 improvement that affects them.
AIS is a recipient of the Shingo Prize, which Business Week has dubbed the Nobel Prize of Manufacturing.
And what Shingo does, it really recognizes companies in any industry across North America for really embracing lean manufacturing and incorporating that within their facilities. Why is that important? Certainly an award is great, but what it meant to us was that if we became more efficient through lean manufacturing, we could drive our costs down and would allow us not only to compete with overseas companies, but to be able to compete with much larger furniture manufacturers within North America.
Rob Lazarus, Executive Vice President of AIS. AIS is very concerned about the environment, and we do a number of things to make sure that we're being a good social citizen.
I think in terms of sustainability, the corporate focus to make sure that the products have a life after their use in the office environment is important.
Most of our components are universal. They can use the power over the legs, the surfaces.
We also have a take-back program where we can repurpose our products when they're at the end of life and keep them out of the landfills. So we either send them to local charities or take them to recycling yards to make sure that nothing's going into a landfill.
It's very important that we have and will always have the water, the resources, the materials to protect human health and the environment. As a manufacturer, we're a consumer of such resources. So it's very important that we manage these resources prudently, that we recycle materials, and that we come out with new, very sustainable designs.
We test all of our products to make sure the indoor air quality meets the standards of SCS and Green Guard certifications. The carbon neutral journey is very important to us. We set a net zero target emission. We accomplish that by internal reductions as well as offsetting those greenhouse gas emissions through sustainable energy projects. We have 3 of them today. These projects provide renewable energy while we offset our carbon footprint.
It really tells a lot about the sustainability message that we're out there and how environmentally conscious we are as an organization.
Brad Armacost, Executive Vice President. Our dealers are the heartbeat of our organization. Everything that we move through dealer distribution. Our dealers afford us the opportunity to provide product for a first-time law student setting up his office to the Googles of the world. We care. We absolutely take care of their needs. We understand what they're up against in trying to take care of their client, and it's important to us that we make them look good on a daily basis.
It's a good relationship. If we call them with an opportunity or a deal, we can get them on the phone and they'll work with you for a creative solution for your client. A lot of other manufacturers, you got to go through multiple layers of management. The responsiveness is much slower. These guys want to get the deal done. They get it.
We spend a lot of time listening to what they need. They can pick up the phone and call me and tell me what they want, which is a unique experience for them.
Consistent with the company culture around here, when we bring on a new dealer, we bring them on as if they're a family member. Our sales organization in the field becomes an extension of their sales organization. Our customer service and design team are regionalized so that they have the opportunity to really get to know our dealers. And by the time they work through a few experiences together, it's just like they've been family for years.
One of the great things about them is just their ability to respond.
You know, customer service should be a simple thing. I love helping our dealers. I love coming in each day and knowing that there's things that I'm going to do that are going to make somebody's day easier, somebody's day better.
They have a great can-do attitude, and they're always willing and able to try to help you solve your problems. They'll never say no.
One of the things that's most important to us is we say yes. We say yes to just about everything. We try to come up with solutions for our customers, and that's what differentiates AIS.
We'll do whatever it takes to fulfill our orders. It's something that AIS is known for, and it's something that we live every day.
We really never say no to customers, and with our lean manufacturing and our visibility and the way we've built our system, we just never say no.
AIS is very passionate about providing stellar service to our dealers and all of our customers. In the design team, we really try to provide that as well. Phone calls, emails, everything from the start of a project to the finish.
They are very competitive, do not like to lose. They've got a can-do attitude. So whether you have a design request that you need turned around in one day, whether you need to have a product that needs to arrive tomorrow, we need to come out to pick it up. We need to have one of their folks come to our site, come to a meeting. Throughout the entire organization, they're willing to do whatever it takes.
Everyone in this company cannot wait to have the opportunity to help them and assist them with their next client.
Picking up the phone calls, answering it, helping anybody out, even if it's not necessarily my position, I always try to help out.
We really just try and support them every step of the way as much as we possibly can to make sure that everything goes through, smoothly through the system. We want the process to be easy and pleasurable, and ultimately we're here to make their lives easier and make their jobs easier, and that's our purpose.
We have seen a lot of repeat business due to AIS with our clients. The lead times of the products are about 12 days. There's no one else in the industry that can do that. Rather than removing products and materials to try to get to a lower price point, they have taken the way to build quality into their process. So when it comes in, you typically have no punch list. You meet their lead times. You're able to get in and out of the client space. The client remembers that. Next time they have a need or they have an issue, they're going to remember that you weren't one of the headaches that they had during the build-out process.
My name is Emeline Hernandez, and I am the AIS receptionist.
If I had to put it in one word, it's passion. It's the culture that we have, that we try to build day in and day out through this entire organization.
The company culture here, it's almost like a startup feel, even though, we're a much bigger company.
I enjoy working at AIS because every day is a different day. There's new people to meet, there's great guests, everyone's nice, and it's fun.
We have a family culture around here that is the driving force, and that's driven from our CEO down. I really enjoy working for AIS because I enjoy being a part of the amazing energy around here.
We like to keep it very fun.
In order to thrive at AIS, you have to really be energetic and persistent and a hard worker.
So there's a lot of buzzing around here, a little bit of insanity, but immense ingenuity, and that's, the culture here.
Everyone brings it every day, and it's just exciting. There's never a boring moment. We are incredibly busy, and the passion never seems to go away. The people at AIS are amazing.
Yeah, we really feel like if we take care of our people, they're going to take care of us, and I think that's at the core of everything we do.
What they really believe is just being the best that we can be, but doing it through the incredible talent that we have in this building.
That's the key to our success, is the people.
They are a really special group that is incredibly dedicated and incredibly hardworking, and it makes it kind of a joy to come in each day and know that everybody has the same passion and understands the same goal that we're all working towards.
We're able to really change mindsets of what a furniture company can be. It really doesn't have to be so serious and so boring. I mean, furniture really can be fun, and what we do is incredible.
Each week I receive emails from customers that are just so pleased with our furniture and how, as a company, we perform.
They have a great can-do attitude. They're problem solvers. Never say no. They're always going to find a way to help you serve your customers.
I think the fact that we do something that not everybody does without sacrificing quality and high standards, I think that's what makes AIS unique.
We want to be the best at everything that we do, and that excellence just radiates throughout these walls.
Focusing on what the customer wants, just the right price, just the right features, just the right lead time, good experience. That's what we do at AIS.
Our main goal is to satisfy our customer needs.
If we tell a customer we're going to do something, we do it. As long as we continue with that message in the way that we deliver our products and our services, we'll continue to outperform the industry as we have for every year that we've been in business, all 22 years.